Good morning, welcome to my vlog. Hey JC, how are you? What are you doing? You're going to school? Okay. Are you waiting for mommy? So guys, good morning. Yan. Huwag na, nagwalis lang ako dito sa labas. And yan. As you can see, walang tubig ngayon dito sa amin. Sa wakas. So yan, JC, what can you say? Talk to me right now.
Good morning, we're going to school again.
Okay, have you eaten your breakfast?
It's fish.
Ha?
Fish.
What else?
But, yun lang.
Ayun lang, okay. So, yan.
Pati din may egg tapos, ano tawag yun ulit?
Ano? Ang tawag?
Longganisa.
Okay, longganisa. Okay, huwag ka dyan. Baka ano ka ng puto. So, guys, yan lang. Update lang dito. So, yan. Walang tubig. So, yan guys. Sige, good morning again. And, sige, please stay tuned with our next video. Okay, sige. Magbabay ka na. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So, yeah, bye.